How to manage translation on Microsoft Teams app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage translation on Microsoft Teams. So first thing, go to the app and go to the top corner, click on your profile and then go down and choose the settings option, and here you will find many options. All what you have to do is choose the fourth one, it's translation. Click on it and click on to choose the language that you want to translate messages to. Choose the language that you want and it will be updated. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end. See you later. Thank you so much.